Hello everybody, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good and preparing really well for your examination. So this is a small update for all of you that all those students who have purchased the cost accounting handbooks of KSJ Teaching, our handbooks, a list of important questions from the handbooks has been uploaded on our mobile app KSJ Teaching. The app links are given in the description of this video. You can download it, and in the study material section, you will find all the important question list from our handbooks. And believe me guys, it is for both, it is for CA and CMA Inter, and believe me, some of the questions are really good. You will find really mind-blowing questions which are going to blow your mind away. Definitely, if you have not invested yet in the books, then go for it. Do not wait for it, because you are definitely going to feel really confident after solving all the questions from the handbooks. Some really good questions, some easy questions, from easy to difficult levels. Everything has been covered in the books, and along with that, the concept book will help you retain the concepts for a longer period of time. So believe me guys, this is really a great investment for all the free, with all the free lectures there on the YouTube, right? So guys, again I am repeating all the important question list from our handbooks, from the KSJ handbooks, whether you are a CA student or whether you are a CMA intermediate student, right, preparing for your upcoming exam. The list of all the important questions which you have to revise before the examination, revise during your revision process, all the question list has been uploaded in the study material section of the app KSJ Teaching. The app links are given in the description of this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, where you are getting the free content, lots and lots of free content, and keep pouring your love for the KSJ Teaching. Thank you so much guys. All the best for your preparation. God bless you all. Thank you.